me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh.
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I've really been getting back into my skincare routine. I had a morning routine, but I wasn't doing my nighttime routine. But I'm getting consistent. My skin is looking good. I haven't washed my face yet. This is just leftover overnight glow and a little bit of sweat from working out. I wanted to share some products with you guys that I've wanted to try out for a long time, and I finally got my hands on them. They were on sale on clearance at Walmart. It's the Black Radiance Skincare line. So there's only one thing I'm missing from this product line, and that is the day cream, but I have everything else. So right now I'm going to show you all my daytime skincare routine with these products, which I have been using for a week now, so I can give you some real good feedback. And then I'll come back and show you my nighttime routine with the same products. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button is going to pop up. Click that so you never miss an upload. Join the club. Alright, so like I said, my skin is clean. You know, I just woke up, so it's time for my morning routine. Well, I didn't just wake up, I've been up. So in the morning, I like to use the Clean It Up Water to Foam Cleanser. Comes in this little bottle like this. It is, I want to say 4 ounces. So this is what I use first. I'll go ahead and wet my face with warm water. And if you see my previous skincare videos, I've been using my Duvel spin brush, and this is just the gentle cleansing brush because I don't want to exfoliate every single day. So here's the cleanser, and what I've been doing is pumping 4 pumps on my face. I'm not trying to get it in my eye. And before I even turn on the brush, wet the brush and then spread it out because it can get crazy with this brush. And also bring it to my neck. Then I turn it on. And I cleanse for 1 minute. That'll give time for the cleanser and all the ingredients to penetrate my skin and get rid of all the dirt and sweat and oil from overnight. All right, now it's time to rinse it off. What I really like about this cleanser is that it is lightweight. It has a soft, gentle scent to it, and you still get the suds, but it's not drying or stripping of my skin. I feel like it's really just getting that layer of dirt and oil off my face. Although I mostly prefer to use it in the morning, I'll use it at night as well. Alright, just patting my skin dry, and I'm going to go through my normal steps because there's no product in this line for these. This next step, which is toner, and I use witch hazel to tone. Applying my eye cream, my eye gel, and I do like to jade roll. And for my morning serums, I use hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Alright, while I let those serums absorb into my skin, I'm going to talk about the next product. So at first I was only using this at night. So at night I use a little bit more, but in the morning I like to use just a little bit because I noticed after the wedding that I was in last weekend, my skin was just a little bit dry and a little bit dull, and it needed a little bit of extra something. So this is the Pordon Botanical Beauty Oil, and it is 100% jojoba oil. So this helps to soothe and soften skin for natural looking radiance. So my skin was just losing its glow, its luster, probably from partying all weekend and drinking all weekend. So I was like, let me add some oil. And especially if I know I'm not gonna wear makeup, which I'm probably not going to today. So I want my skin to have that nice glow. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. This is 100% jojoba oil. And yes, I do have oily skin, but it still needs to be moisturized, because if I don't moisturize my skin, the sebum on my face is going to overproduce and make my face even more oily. And I've been making sure I remember my neck. But yep, I just rubbed that all over. And you see how it's like a nice soft glow. It's not greasy and it doesn't look oily or sticky. And I'm just turning my light down just so y'all can see. It just feels very moisturizing. And then I'm just gonna apply my moisturizer and SPF. Which, like I said, I don't have the day moisturizer from this collection. I could not find it. Oh, I love the way my skin looks after my morning routine, especially with these products. Y'all, my skin is glowing. And my pores are like minimized. Feel like my under eyes are looking better, healthy. It's like a nice healthy glow, and I'm just okay with not wearing makeup. So that's why I know my skincare is working. So that's it for my morning routine. So I'll come back at night and show y'all how I use the Black Radiance Skincare products to take care of my skin before I go to bed. All right, y'all, I told you I would be back for the nighttime skincare. So of course, still using Black Radiance. I have the Scrub It Off Dual Action Exfoliator. Gonna dampen my skin. And then with this, I like to just use my hands. Pretty thick. Pretty thick. And I do this for 1 minute. And you can see the glow on my skin already as I'm applying it. And that's what I love about this collection. It's just all about a nice, healthy, natural glow. Don't forget about your neck. It says it's an intense formula that polishes skin and leaves it with a natural glow. This powerful exfoliator scrubs away dead skin, delivering a soft, smooth complexion. Leaves a visibly refreshed complexion, gives skin a clean, smooth, supple, radiant glow. Deep cleans and helps unclog pores. Contains a blend of argan and almond that helps revitalize and moisturize, giving skin a more youthful appearance. So you're supposed to massage it on damp skin and you let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then you rinse it off with warm water. They suggested to use this 2 to 3 times a week. All right, now I'm gonna let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This product is definitely something that I don't need to use 2 to 3 times a week. As they suggest. It's really as needed for me because I just look at my skin and see if it's looking dull and if it needs to be refreshed. But I think because I use my face brush, I don't have to exfoliate too much, but you just have to listen to your skin and know when to refresh it. So I'll be back to let y'all see what my skin looks like once I rinse this off. All right, I just rinsed my face off. Still some there. But it's still a little damp, but this is what my skin is looking like. And I told y'all I've been getting better at my nighttime routine, which I've come to realize is way more, well, not way more, but it's really what you do at night that affects your skin. So I've been more diligent with my nighttime routine. All right, so I use this in the morning as well, but the Pordon Botanical Beauty Oil, I use a little bit extra at night because my goal is to look like a glazed donut. So whatever comes out in the little dropper, that's what I drop all over my face, because nighttime really has, my skin has the opportunity to absorb it all in. And if I don't look like a glazed donut going to bed, then I am not doing it right. And again, this is what works for my skin for me. This may not work for everybody. And then this is the Buttermilk Overnight Butter Bead Moisturizer. That's what it looks like, but I get a generous amount and I put that right on top of the beauty oil. And that's it for nighttime. I am glowing, okay, like a glazed donut. Like my friend Jasmine said, turn on the red light, because like Krispy Kreme, I'm hot and ready, okay? Hot now. But when I wake up in the morning, I'm not gonna look like this. My skin don't have time to absorb all of this. I love these products. They're like simple, straightforward, easy. They've been doing my skin so well. I'm all about this natural glow that's coming through, okay? And y'all see in the before pictures, it's just a radiance now about my skin. So I'm really enjoying these products. Y'all should definitely try them out. If I can find them, I'll link them below in the description box. But that's my morning and nighttime skincare routine with Black Radiance. That's it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Have a good night. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen of it. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget.